Your gateway to AI-powered creativity, a beginner's guide to Midjourney. Imagine a world where your words can paint a picture, design a logo, or even generate a realistic portrait. This is the world of generative AI, and one of its most prominent artists is a tool called Midjourney. If you've ever been curious about creating digital art, but felt you lack the technical skills, or if you're a creative professional looking for a powerful new tool, this lesson is for you. Let's embark on a journey to understand and harness the creative potential of Midjourney. What is Midjourney? At its core, Midjourney is a generative artificial intelligence program that creates images from natural language descriptions, known as prompts. Developed by the independent research lab Midjourney, Inc., it's a tool that translates your textual ideas into unique and often stunning visuals. Think of it as a highly skilled digital artist that you can direct with your words. Midjourney has rapidly become one of the most popular AI image generators. It's known for its distinctive, artistic, and high-quality results. It can produce a wide array of styles, from photorealistic to painterly cinematic and surreal. Getting started? Your first steps into Midjourney? Ready to create? Here's how you can begin your Midjourney adventure. 1. Subscription is key. Midjourney is a paid service. To start creating, you'll need to subscribe to one of their plans. You can find the different subscription options on the Midjourney website. 2. Choose your creative space. Web or Discord. You have two main ways to interact with Midjourney. The Midjourney website. This is the most direct way to start. So simply go to the Midjourney website and sign in with your Google or Discord account. The web interface provides a user-friendly Imagine bar at the top of the page where you can type your prompts. Discord. Originally, Midjourney operated exclusively through the chat platform Discord. While the web interface is now available, the Discord community remains a vibrant hub for creators. To use it, you'll need a Discord account and to join the official Midjourney server. In Discord, you'll use the Imagine command followed by your prompt and designated newbie channels, or in a direct message with the Midjourney bot. The art of the prompt. Bringing your ideas to life. The magic of Midjourney lies in the prompt. A well-crafted prompt is the key to getting the image you envision. Here's a breakdown of how to think about your prompts. Be descriptive and specific. The more detail you provide, the better Midjourney can understand your vision. Use adjectives, adverbs, and vivid language to describe the scene, subject, style, and mood. For example, instead of a cat, try a photorealistic portrait of a fluffy ginger cat with bright green eyes, sitting on a sunlit windowsill. Think about the medium. Specifying an artistic medium can dramatically influence the style of your image. You can include terms like oil painting, watercolor sketch, 3D render, or pixel art. Experiment with styles and eras. Want a vintage feel? Add in the style of a 1950s photograph? Looking for something futuristic? Try cyberpunk cityscape. Use parameters for finer control. Midjourney offers several parameters you can add to the end of your prompt to control things like aspect ratio. Change the shape of your image, for example. AR 16:9 for a widescreen look, or AR 1:1 for a square. Style. Experiment with different versions of Midjourney's models. Chaos. This parameter influences how varied and unexpected your initial image grid will be. Image prompts. You can even use the URL of an existing image as part of your prompt to influence the style and content of your creation, from first generation to finished artwork. Once you enter your prompt, Midjourney will generate a grid of 4 initial images. From here, you have several options. Upscale. If you like one of the images, you can use the U buttons to increase its resolution and detail. The V buttons allow you to create for new variations based on the style and composition of a selected image. Rerun. The Rerun button will start the same prompt over again, giving you a completely new set of 4 images. Vary plus Remix. A more advanced feature allows you to select a specific area of an upscaled image and change just that part with a new prompt. What can you do with Midjourney? The possibilities are endless. Midjourney is not just for creating pretty pictures. It's a versatile tool with a vast range of practical applications across numerous fields. Here are just a few examples. Art and design. Create concept art for games and films. Design unique characters and produce illustrations for graphic novels and comics. Marketing and branding. Generate eye-catching visuals for social media campaigns, websites, and marketing materials. You can even brainstorm logo designs and create mood boards. Product design. Visualize product ideas and create mock-ups to showcase your designs in a professional way. Print demand. Design unique graphics for t-shirts, mugs, posters, and other merchandise. Interior design. Create visualizations of room layouts and home decor concepts. Education. Generate visual aids and educational materials to make learning more engaging. Personal projects. From creating custom art for your home to designing unique greeting cards, the only limit is your imagination. Recently, Midjourney has even ventured into video generation, allowing users to create short video clips from their images. A community of creators. One of the unique aspects of Midjourney, particularly through its Discord presence, is the strong sense of community. You can see what others are creating, learn from their prompts, and get inspired by the incredible artwork being generated in real time. This collaborative environment can be a fantastic learning resource for beginners. Midjourney is a powerful and constantly evolving tool that puts the power of creation at your fingertips. By understanding the fundamentals of prompting and embracing experimentation, you can unlock a world of artistic possibilities. So what will you create first? Midjourney is a powerful and constantly evolving tool that puts the power of creation at your fingertips. By understanding the fundamentals of prompting and embracing experimentation, you can unlock a world of artistic possibilities. So what will you create first?